Le gars que vous voyez là-bas qui porte l'habit orange a mis 100 000 naira dans un gari pour aller donner aux jeunes du quartier. C'est-à-dire il a mis 100 000 naira à l'intérieur du gari. Mais les jeunes ne savent pas qu'il y a de l'argent dedans. Ils ont rejeté le gari, ils ne veulent pas prendre. Bon bref, on va regarder la vidéo ensemble après. On va parler.
Give me waiting.
Gari now.
Gary, you well. You see me finish now, Gary, you won't give me.
Because you know they drink Gari.
Me drink Gary. Me drink Gary. Nah.
Wait. See what you just missed.
Okay,
I beg now. Okay, calm down now. Which one? So because now Gari, now money inside before.
I don't know.
Boss, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How you doing?
Fine, sir.
See, sorry. You know, see, my body day full of Gari. I did do small giveaway for streets for people. I see my just give you this Gari. How you see?
I know, thank you.
Calm down now, bros. You know they sell Gari, or you know they sell it back. Somebody else give you Gari, me just stay there. People they try to show
No,
off.
thank you. I know, on this Yahoo.
Bros, calm down. I
know
not be Yahoo boy. This thing. Oh yeah, see, look. Camera they see us say. I know they. Now I go call do Yahoo for public. Say take Gari.
I don't want a beg.
Bros, take Gari.
I don't want.
I say take Gari. You know,
I don't want.
Gari said on the pot. Take Gari.
Oh, but I don't want.
Ah. See, you see my life. See, I had 100,000 to give to you,
No,
boys.
yes, I beg.
And I just managed to test you whether you collect
No,
the Gari.
yes,
Now the Gari be this.
Ah, thank you.
No worry, no. Bros, good day.
Good day.
I've been reasoning you something before. You know, say our school just open, I know say people they're hungry, and I just show some level of gratitude to Nigerians who don't suffer with us until enter New Year. So I just give them Gari. I don't know why you go like take Gari.
Gary, now be the gratitude. More.
Okay, you know they so Gari. You know like Gari.
But this one too small now, no fish. Where the fish one can join? Make I carry soup.
Okay, just take and go provide that one.
Now Gary won't carry con give me.
Bros, take now.
Let's see my first. I don't things I won't collect. I won't can I can't give me.
Bros,
you won't enter my body.
Oh yeah, just take
You
the
won't enter my
Gari. Just
body?
take the Gari now.
The Gary too small. If you won't give me Gary, give me bag of Gary. That one I will.
Okay, just take the Gari. You don't know the bless. Now this one is small.
I don't need the Gary.
Bros, take the Gari now. Why you do like this?
It won't force me. Abi won't force me. Man, I tell you, it won't force me.
Bros, calm down now.
I say I don't want to take the Gary
just
now.
take.
Waiting.
Hey, wait, okay, calm down now. Calm down. Now 100K
beg
been
now.
inside the Gari before I won't give you.
I beg.
I just might just test you, but as you
beg
say you need to collect the Gari, no wahala. Okay, leave me now. Take care for them. No collect the Gari. Leave am.
I beg now.
No worry, leave am.
I go pack am.
Hello. Good day.
Good afternoon, sir.
I wanted to talk to you about something.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, see, I know that a lot of Nigerians are going through a lot.
Okay.
So I am also a student, but I do small Gari farm and all that. So I was thinking if I could support fellow Nigerians with Gari.
That would be nice. So, like, you want to give me Gary?
Yes, now.
I'm very happy. Like, I've not even seen anything to eat since morning. Like, I'm
Fine girl, like you never sent to eat since morning.
See, they whine me. I just come back from class. Since morning at the class, I never shop.
Like you're going to take this Gari.
I will take it.
Are you serious or you're joking with me?
I don't they joke. Why they whine me? I mean, no
see, I've given a lot of people this Gari and a lot of them have rejected it.
See, you don't know. Like, blessing that God now send you come like this.
Ha.
This Gary, Jesus, my roommate, Jesus.
Yeah, okay, see, just take.
Like,
are you serious? You're taking it?
Jesus Christ. You know how I carry day happy. You see this Gary so. Hey God.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, well wait. See, can you give me back the Gary? Let me just show you something.
What's the happen now? Gary, you don't give me, I'll take him back.
No worry, no, I know take him back. I just want to show you something.
If I give you, you go give me back.
I'll give you back.
God,
yeah, just give me first. Give me first.
Give me
Give me first.
Okay,
See, you get everything inside this Gary. Okay. Camera, come. See camera man there.
Jesus.
Yes. Yeah, wait. Jesus. Get inside this Gary,
Okay.
Something inside this Gary you go like.
Okay.
And I don't give people, but people no go accept. But bless you, don't pass the test. Okay. Cameraman, they look Jesus. Something inside this Gary. You want to see him?
I want to see him.
See him.
Jesus!
So this is for you. This is for you. 100K. Thank you.
Jesus.
Take.
You miss this money, Mama.
My own.
I don't know. I'm like a cat. No. This is very fresh.
Thank you.
Le gars, c'est un comédien. Il a mis 100 000 naira à l'intérieur du Gari pour aller tester aux gens. Ceux qui vont accepter de prendre Gari vont garder les 100 000 francs CFA. Mais les jeunes ne savaient pas qu'il y avait de l'argent dedans. Et ils croyaient seulement que c'était du Gari que ce comédien veut leur donner. Donc il y a certains qui ont fait la bouche. Pourquoi tu veux me donner Gari? Tu me regardes comme ça. Est-ce que je ressemble à quelqu'un qui mange du Gari? 100 000 naira, si on convertit ça en francs CFA, ça va dans les 130 000 francs CFA. Parce que leur monnaie est plus lourde que notre monnaie. Les gars ont refusé de prendre. Ils sont en train de faire la bouche. Toi, tu me regardes comme ça. Est-ce que je ressemble à quelqu'un qui mange du Gari? Pourquoi c'est Gari que tu vas me donner? Est-ce que je t'ai dit que je suis un mendiant? Est-ce que je t'ai dit que j'ai besoin du Gari? Il y a certains même qui ont pris son Gari et jeté par terre. C'est après avoir jeté par terre qu'ils ont aperçu qu'il y avait de l'argent à l'intérieur du Gari. Et ils ont commencé à demander pardon. Toi, tu ne savais pas, tu faisais la bouche que tu ne vas pas manger du Gari. Toi, tu ne ressembles pas à quelqu'un qui mange du Gari. Et puis maintenant, tu as commencé à demander pardon. Ne faites pas la bouche dans la vie. Quand vous avez besoin de quelque chose là, et quelqu'un vous donne là, faut que vous preniez ça. Prenez ça, ne faites pas la bouche en disant que non, tu me vois comme ça, est-ce que je ressemble à quelqu'un qui mange du Gari? Vous avez vu la chance qu'ils ont raté, non? Ils ont raté l'argent. C'est juste une fille qui a accepté de prendre Gari. Or que c'est les filles qui aiment faire la bouche, qui n'aiment pas qu'on les insulte qu'ils mangent du Gari. Les filles qui aiment manger hamburger là et shawarma là, c'est l'une des filles là qui a accepté de prendre Gari. Et on lui a montré l'argent qu'il y avait dedans. Et le comédien lui a donné ça gratuit de partir avec. La fille même qui a accepté de prendre ça dit qu'elle n'a rien mangé depuis le matin. Elle vient de l'école ça. Et elle est en train de dire qu'elle n'a rien mangé depuis le matin. Depuis le matin qu'elle est partie à l'école. Elle n'a rien mangé jusqu'à son retour. Et vous les gars, vous faites la bouche. Vous voulez faire les gros dos. Que vous ne mangez pas du Gari. Les comédiens nigérians, ce sont leurs concepts maintenant. Et ils mettent de l'argent. Certaines même mettent 200 000 naira. Certaines mettent 300 000 naira à l'intérieur du Gari. Pour aller tester les gens. S'ils vont accepter de prendre ou pas. Mais ces gens-là, eux, ne savent pas qu'il y a de l'argent à l'intérieur du Gari. Eux, ils voient seulement le Gari. Les gars, n'oubliez pas de partager ou mettre dans un groupe. On se dit à la prochaine. Ciao.